Meet the Hyundai Inster, a stylish and affordable addition to the electric car market. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Priced between £23,495 and £26,745, it offers a compelling mix of features and efficiency. The Inster stands out with its cute design, featuring round headlights and a rugged mini SUV look. Available in 10 colors, it offers two-tone paint options. The interior is versatile, with foldable seats and clever storage solutions, making it practical for city driving. Equipped with a 42 to 49 kilowatt-hour battery, the Inster offers a range of 203 to 229 miles. It charges rapidly, reaching 80% in 30 minutes with an 85 kilowatt charger. The Inster is efficient, especially in urban settings, providing a smooth ride. Peak rapid charging speed is 73 kilowatts for the standard range battery and 85 kilowatts for the long-range battery, which means a 30-minute 10 to 80% charging time provided you plug into a powerful enough charging station. Inside, the Inster boasts houndstooth cloth, a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and over-the-air updates. It includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing connectivity. Although the Inster has a bit less space than the EC3 and Renault 5, it's also more versatile thanks to the clever seats. It makes you wonder why so few electric family SUVs have useful features like sliding seats, if Hyundai can do it on a dinky little electric car like this. The spacious design and clever use of space make it feel airy and comfortable. Starting at £23,495, the Inster offers great value with advanced safety features and a 5-year warranty. While rivals may offer more space, the Inster's charm and efficiency make it a top choice for city dwellers. Standard equipment includes a 10.25-inch TFT supervision cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's a good system that's familiar from other Hyundai models and includes over-the-air updates, charger search function, inbuilt sat-nav, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.